Please disregard my hair, my head, the glasses and everything going on, y'all. I do not have any makeup on at all because today is just basically just throwing something decent. And we're gonna run to the mall, and then Bob's gonna run to the mall. We're just gonna get everything we need for everybody that we need to get a gift for. So that is what I'm about to do right now. So if you guys want to tag along with us or with me, you guys are more than welcome to do that. Hi guys, so it is the top of the morning for me. So I've decided that I wanted to put some music on just to get started with my day. So the type of music that I normally like to listen to is mostly like R&B and soul. It's just something about R&B and soul. It just sets the mood for my entire day. And I'm going to go ahead and listen to a good sound of music to basically get me going. And I love music. So I want to know if you guys can comment down below and let me know, what are you guys' favorite music that you love to listen to? So let me know in the comments below and we can chat it up. So we have been getting very cool, kind of cold weather, and my face has been very dry. So I'm using a Pond's moisturizer just to give my face some moisture. Right now, looking a mess. Um, I have to meet my husband at Bath and Body Works because we have to pick a few more gifts for presents for Christmas. So I'm probably gonna take you guys along with us with the picking up gifts and stuff out of Bath and Body Works. Please disregard my hair, my head, the glasses and everything going on, y'all. I do not have any makeup on at all because today is just basically just throwing something decent. And we're gonna run to the mall, and then Bob's gonna run to the mall. We're just gonna get everything we need for everybody that we need to get a gift for. So that is what I'm about to do right now. So if you guys want to tag along with us or with me, you guys are more than welcome to do that. So in the next clip, I'm going to see you guys most likely at Bath and Body Works. So of course I had to stop in the wine department to pick up a bottle of wine. And I was on the fence of picking up another wine, but I heard so much reviews about the Stella Black. And let me tell you, that wine tastes so amazing. So if you're a wine drinker, pick it up. So we have ball food. We have, as you guys can see, we have corn, we have shrimps, potatoes, crabs, sausage. So this is our dinner for tonight. And of course, wine and our daiquiris. This is going to be for our supper tonight.
Got daiquiri right now. got a daiquiri. And
I'm vlogging off my phone right now, so if you guys may see me at the quality may be a little off because I'm just vlogging off my phone. My camera actually charging right now, so yeah, this is my hair. I'm gonna probably take my hair out and probably just braid it down instead of leaving it like this, because it's been like this since a whole week. I have not did anything to it. So, story of my life with my hair. So my husband's in the front. He is my husband is in the front. He is watching football while he boiling the food. So I'm about to go ahead and probably, I don't know, work on some content. I don't know yet. I just don't want to bore y'all. Yeah. I hope y'all have gotten y'all Christmas shopping out of the way. And I hope that everybody got what they wanted. And if they didn't, hope that even though if somebody didn't get what they wanted, I just hope and pray that, look at it on the bright side, that they were able to open up their eyes to see another day. And that would be actually a good gift. And Christmas is basically not all about like gifts. I did finish Christmas shopping, and thank God, because Lord, I did not want to go to Walmart, but I ended up going to Walmart anyways. So I'm trying to think what else I wanted to do. I wanted to work on some content. I might be working on content, so I probably won't vlog until, if I don't vlog no more today, I will roll it over to the next day. So yeah, so that's probably what I will probably do. I probably will just like in my vlog, probably just end it, not right now, but I probably will add in something else. I don't want my vlogs to be too long at all. So yeah, I'm gonna probably just hit you guys up on the next clip, because I'm about to work on some content, and also probably so this is my beautiful cousin. How old are you?
8.
8 years old. And tell them your name and what grade you're in.
My name is Sage, and I'm in 3rd grade.
Do you like school?
No.
Why?
Because it takes too long.
What takes too long?
Every last class.
You don't have a favorite subject?
Math.
Why you like math?
Because it's quick.
You like numbers?
No.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Hey.
She is shy, y'all. So we are editing a video. I want to show you guys what we're doing. We are editing the video right now. So we're going to get this video out tonight.